This is Brandon Christensen of OSOP in Panama. I'm going to show you how to use pdcc to modify your Sixaola dataless seed file, and then how to use rdseed to generate RESP or RESP files for use in Scisan and other programs. To begin, just run pdcc. This takes a few minutes to open up because it has to compile. When it's done compiling, it'll print a message to the screen that says so, and then a few seconds later it will open up. Okay, once pdcc is open, then load the nominal instrument response file in dataless format for your Sixaola. That'll open in the seed data browser. Now this contains the nominal instrument response for all differing sample rates for the Sixaola. To begin, you'll want to start in dictionary, and you'll want to change the abbreviation description from OSOP to the name of your home institution. And then once you've done that, you'll want to click on station, and here you'll change the station name. So for instance, you might put in Brew2 if you were talking about the OSOP broadband seismic station in Panama. And then you will edit the network code here as well. Here you'll edit the effective start date, so in this case 2015. You'll apply that to all channels. Then you will edit the latitude, longitude, and elevation. Okay, the latitude you might put, let's say just for examples, we'll put 7. We'll apply that to all channels, and then you would do the same thing for longitude and then elevation. Then you'll proceed to the actual list of channels. Here you'll see that we have EH, EN, SH, SN, and then a variant that has a location code. And so the objective here is to select the channels that your Sixaola is configured to work with. And so EH is, E is 100 samples per second, H is velocity. Here again we have 100 samples per second, and N in this case is acceleration. And so you'll see here we have 6 channels of 100 samples per second for velocity and acceleration. In a similar manner, we have SH and SN. S in this case is 50 samples per second. And so you want to delete any channels that you're not using. And so for example, if your Sixaola is configured for both velocity and acceleration for 100 samples per second, then you would want to delete these additional channels here. This is done one at a time. Okay. And once you are done modifying this dataless seed volume, you'll click up here, save as, apply a name. I prefer to put network and station, then .dataless, and then save that file. And don't close pdcc until you see this message, file saved. And you can close pdcc. The last step is to use a program called rdseed, also available from Iris, with the flags -R, -F. You give it the name of your dataless seed volume, hit enter, and it will generate a single RESP file for every single component.